Hello, I'm Curtis Hamilton. I am a teacher at Shawnee Heights High School in Tecumseh, Kansas. I currently teach AP Government, U.S. History, and World Geography. This is my 8th year of teaching. This is my 2nd year at Shawnee Heights. Prior to, I spent 6 years at Piper High School in Kansas City. Um, I'm married. I have a wife named Caitlin and a dog named Dudley. I do not have children yet, which is part of the reason why I've decided to come back or to get my degree in building leadership right now. Another reason is I recently have been um, elevated to department chair the past 2 years, so I've wanted to go and gain knowledge necessary to help be a leader in the building. I'm also part of the building leadership team, so I just felt like it was the right time to go back and educate myself and prepare myself to serve in those roles, as well as maybe possibly a future as a principal. And then, as far as my school finance strengths and weaknesses go, as a government teacher, I do follow a lot of the legislative finance stuff as well as some of the school board finance stuff. At the building level, I would say my finance is weak because I've never really delved into the different types of budgeting that goes on at the building level. And really at the district level, there are some weaknesses in some of the allotted money, what it can be spent on, what it can't, things like that. But I do believe I have a pretty broad knowledge of kind of how the capital outlay works, how the general budget and things like that work. But I feel like there's a lot I can learn about school finance that would help me understand the specifics a lot more and understand how the building level works as far as money and things like that. So that is my current knowledge of school finance. I look forward to learning more and to get to meet the rest of you. Thank you.